And now let's look how Marts and Dana will dance Waltz silver level routine with the count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, and now let's look at same silver level routine, but this time in slow motion. So we start with preparation step, and diagonally to wall start natural spin turn, then down line of dance. We continue with turning lock to left, moving diagonally to center. We finish it in promenade and continue with a wing, after which we dance double reverse spin and drag hesitation. We continue with backward lock step, backing diagonally to wall, and finish with natural turn ending. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. We start with preparation step, then we dance natural spin turn. Notice ladies brush on 5th step. We continue with turning lock to left to promenade position and then wing. After wing, man dances outside on left side, lady dances heel turn in double reverse spin, then drag hesitation and backward lock step. And we finish with steps 4 to 6 of natural turn. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.